the best herbal drinks to boost performance. Forget the quick fixes and familiar remedies like Viagra. What if the key to improving your sexual health and stamina lies in natural, sustainable choices? Today, we're uncovering herbal drinks that can improve your performance, enhance your stamina, and boost your heart health. These science-backed remedies go beyond the surface to fuel your body and mind. And trust me, number 3 might just change the way you think about natural remedies. A quick note, this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. These drinks are very powerful, so always consult a doctor before using them. Now let's explore these herbal drinks. Starting at number 9, we have ginseng tea, nature's aphrodisiac. Ginseng, especially Korean red ginseng, is a potent natural remedy for enhancing sexual health and stamina. This herb is packed with ginsenosides, active compounds that improve blood flow by boosting nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, ensuring better circulation, essential for erectile function. Clinical studies have shown that men with erectile dysfunction who consumed ginseng experienced significant improvements in performance and satisfaction. Beyond its benefits for sexual health, ginseng also combats fatigue, strengthens the immune system, and supports mental clarity, making it a holistic choice for vitality. Ginseng tea can be brewed by steeping 1 to 2 grams of dried root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add a touch of honey or ginger for enhanced flavor and additional circulatory benefits. 1 cup daily in the morning is ideal for optimal results. At number 8, we have ginkgo biloba tea, circulation and clarity. Ginkgo biloba tea is a powerful ally for improving blood flow and overall vascular health. This herb contains flavonoids and terpenoids, antioxidants that combat free radicals and support healthy circulation. Improved blood flow is critical for erectile function, as it ensures adequate oxygen delivery to the tissues. Additionally, ginkgo reduces stress and enhances mental clarity, addressing psychological barriers to sexual performance. Research suggests its benefits extend to those experiencing antidepressant-induced sexual dysfunction, offering a natural alternative for relief. However, it should be used cautiously by individuals taking blood thinners or those with bleeding disorders. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of dried ginkgo leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. For an extra boost, add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of cinnamon. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups daily for consistent results. At number 7, we have maca root tea, the stamina supercharger. Maca root tea, particularly from black maca, is a revered remedy for enhancing libido, endurance, and hormonal balance. Rich in macamides and machenes, bioactive compounds unique to this herb, maca is known for its ability to improve sperm quality, support testosterone production, and combat stress. Studies highlight its effectiveness in boosting sexual stamina, making it a popular choice for those seeking sustained energy and improved performance. Maca is also an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to physical and emotional stressors, both of which can impact sexual health. To enjoy its benefits, dissolve 1 to 2 teaspoons of maca root powder in hot water, stirring well. Pair with almond milk and a sprinkle of nutmeg for a creamy, nutrient-rich beverage. A single cup each morning is recommended for steady vitality. Coming in at number 6 is goatweed tea, the natural PDE5 inhibitor. Goatweed tea contains icariin, a natural compound that acts similarly to PDE5 inhibitors found in ED medications by improving blood flow and supporting erectile function. This herb, long used in traditional Chinese medicine, enhances nitric oxide levels, promoting vascular health and reducing fatigue. Icariin also helps relax smooth muscle tissue, ensuring better oxygen and nutrient delivery to the body's extremities. Studies suggest that goatweed can benefit men experiencing mild erectile dysfunction or reduced stamina. To prepare this tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. For added potency, mix in a teaspoon of raw cacao powder, which further supports vascular health. Limit intake to 1 cup daily, as overuse may lead to side effects or interact with medications. Number 5 on our list is Tribulus terrestris tea, testosterone booster. Tribulus terrestris tea is a traditional remedy for boosting testosterone and enhancing libido. This herb contains saponins, particularly protodioscin, which may stimulate testosterone production and improve erectile function. Studies suggest that Tribulus can increase satisfaction and sperm quality, making it a popular choice among men seeking reproductive health support. Its adaptogenic properties also help reduce stress, a common barrier to optimal performance. Brew this tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of dried Tribulus terrestris in hot water for 10 minutes. To amplify its testosterone-boosting effects, mix with fenugreek seeds or ginger. Drinking 1 to 2 cups daily, preferably in the morning or early afternoon, provides a natural boost in energy and confidence. Coming in at number 4 is Damiana tea, the desire enhancer. Damiana tea has a long history of use as a natural aphrodisiac. This herb works by increasing blood flow to the pelvic region, enhancing arousal and desire. Damiana's active compounds, including flavonoids and caffeine-like alkaloids, improve energy levels and reduce anxiety, common factors that hinder satisfaction. Traditionally used in Central and South America, Damiana is cherished for its calming yet uplifting effects. To prepare, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried Damiana leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. For a luxurious twist, add a small piece of dark chocolate, which complements Damiana's mood-enhancing properties. 1 to 2 cups daily can help ignite passion and set the stage for deeper connections. At number 3, we have a truly remarkable entry, ashwagandha tea, relaxation and renewal. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, is renowned for reducing cortisol levels and boosting testosterone, both of which are crucial for sexual health and performance. With anolides, the active compounds in ashwagandha support hormonal balance and reduce stress, addressing psychological factors that contribute to erectile dysfunction. Research also shows that ashwagandha improves sperm motility and count, making it valuable for reproductive health. Its calming properties aid in better sleep, which is vital for overall stamina and recovery. To brew, steep 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha root or powder in hot milk or water for 10 minutes. Enhance the tea's effects by adding a pinch of saffron and a teaspoon of honey. Consume 1 cup nightly to relax the mind and rejuvenate the body for improved performance. At number 2, we have fenugreek tea, testosterone booster. Fenugreek tea is a natural remedy for boosting testosterone and improving libido. The seeds are rich in saponins, particularly diosgenin, which help regulate hormones and enhance testosterone levels. This makes it beneficial for sexual performance and stamina. Fenugreek also supports metabolic health, reducing blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity, which indirectly benefits heart health. Studies show that regular consumption can lead to increased sexual satisfaction and physical endurance. To prepare, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. Adding honey or cinnamon not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts its circulatory and anti-inflammatory benefits. 1 cup daily, preferably in the morning, provides a gentle, sustained energy lift and hormonal support for the day ahead. At number 1, we have licorice root tea, stress reliever. Licorice root tea is a potent adaptogen that helps the body combat stress and fatigue, both of which can impair sexual function. Glycyrrhizin, its active compound, supports adrenal health and reduces cortisol levels, which can improve stamina and hormonal balance. Licorice root also promotes blood flow, aiding erectile function and cardiovascular health. Its slightly sweet flavor makes it a comforting and delicious beverage. To prepare, simmer 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root in water for 10 minutes, then strain. Add fresh ginger for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Limit consumption to 1 cup daily, as excessive intake may cause side effects like increased blood pressure. This tea is best consumed in the early afternoon to provide stress relief and sustained energy. By incorporating these herbal drinks into your daily routine, you can naturally enhance your sexual performance. Find what works best for you and enjoy the journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos on health and wellness.